Hi everyone, Steve here. A major focus of mine in working with students is extracurriculars and highlighting them on college applications. The biggest mistake I make is when students do too many extracurriculars. They try to be a jack of all trades and engage in 10 or more activities, and there's not even enough space to list them all on the application. So if that describes your child, you're certainly not alone. However, this is not the best way to go about it. Instead, what you want to do is highlight 2 or 3 of the most impressive and most significant and most meaningful activities. Focus on those in the application. Your child should focus on those in the application and in his or her essays, but also in general. So if your child is doing 10 activities a week every day after school, conflicting club meetings, doesn't know what to do, it might be too much. Sometimes if you scale down the scope of what you're doing, you can focus more deeply on it and achieve a better result. Your child does not need to be a state finalist or a state champion in anything. Simply being the leader of a club is sufficient to show leadership and proficiency. So maybe your child does tennis all 4 years of high school, first JV, then varsity, and is the team captain during junior and senior year. Or maybe your child is really into STEM and focuses on math and science and computers and programming, and so your child engages in competitions related to building robots. Or maybe your child starts a STEM-devoted club, maybe about programming or about app development, or does tutoring on the side in related topics like math and science, which would help to demonstrate entrepreneurship. So these are just some ideas. There are many, many more, as many ideas as there are topics out there in the world. Whatever interests your child, encourage them to go deeper and explore that more thoroughly, and your child could end up developing some great extracurriculars that could make for compelling college essays. So that's all for today. Hope you found it helpful. If so, please subscribe, leave a rating and review, and please feel free to reach out if you need anything at all. I love hearing from families and I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.